We're far from good, not good from far. 90 miles per hour down Compton Boulevard.
Ooh, yeah, I know you like that though. Yo, you good? What you doing? Yeah, man, I'm just making sure I look good for March 27th, man. March 27th? March 27th? You don't know what March 27th is? Oh, let me guess. The tag tournament, man! How you forget that? My bad. You're right. It's an important month. Ronnie just hit me up and said we fighting the highlight reel. I think they like some double mint twins. But if the Native Sons are in the tournament and the highlight reel is in the tournament, that means that they are a formidable opponent. So that means we need to be prepared. We need to be on our P's and Q's. So now, highlight reel. We bringing double the pain, double the pleasure, and
whoa. Slow down. Hold on. That didn't register right with me. My bad. What you mean by that?
cause like we gonna be beating them up painfully, and
You know what? Let me just go ahead and let me. I got you. Don't worry about it.
all right.
I'm gonna take it from here. Listen, March 27th, the Native Sons versus highlight reel. Now look, check it out. The only highlight that's gonna be shown is us whooping y'all up and down that ring, all over that ring. Best believe. But look, check it out though. It's gonna be some pleasure, all right. It's gonna be some pleasures when we beat them and we advance, and whoever else we beat them and advance. Beat them in advance. You know where I'm going with this, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Until eventually we get what's rightfully ours. We get what we rightfully deserve, and that's those titles, those tag team titles around our waist. March 27th, you know, it's gonna come back kind of quick, but we not worried though. We the Native Sons. We come ready. March 27th, like you said, best believe the Native Sons. Oh yeah, we gonna bring that pain.